Welcome back! Today we're going to learn how to use the min and the max function in Excel. So the min function is used to know the minimum value in a chosen set of values, while max function is used to know the maximum value in the set of values. Now let's dive into Excel. So first, we're going to open Microsoft Excel and then input our data. So as you can see here in my worksheet, I already have my data. I have the names of the students, and also I have their grades in each respective subject area in English, Math, and Science. Now I want to know the minimum and the maximum grade for each subject area. So I can do that by using the min and the max function. So I click on the cell where I want to display my formula, so in here. So after clicking, I can type in here or I can type in here. Okay, so now let's start writing the formula. So let's write equals min, open parentheses, and then we click on the values that will be used as a reference. So for us, it will be all in English grades. So from F2 up until to F11. And then after we click it, it will be right away reference here in our formula. And then we finally end it by typing a closing parenthesis, and then we hit enter. So as you can see in here, 65 is displayed, meaning 65 is the lowest English grade found in our data. So since I also want to know the minimum score for the other subjects, so all I need to do is to drag the plus sign button here up until to H12. So as you can see here, the minimum grades are displayed. So now I also want to know the maximum grade for each subject. So all I have to do is to use the max function. So first I click on the cell where I want to display my formula, so in here. And then I begin typing, so I can type here or in here. So I can type now. So equals max, open parenthesis, and then I click on the values will be used as a reference. So if we want to know the maximum grade in English, so obviously we have to click all the grades in English, right? So we have to click from F2 and drag it up until to F11 and right up, and then we type closing parenthesis, and then after that we hit enter. So as you can see in here, the highest grade is already displayed. So again, if I want to know the highest grade for the rest of the other subjects, then I just drag the plus sign button in here up until to H13. So as you can see here, I have the highest scores for each subject area. So here is a short demo. Please watch. Well done! Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe and the like button for more. See you in the next video.